The question is, this is given. Okay. This is a standard result. It is given a to the power mod n. Its discrete time Fourier transform is 1 minus a square by 1 minus 2a cos omega into a square. And this is valid if mod a is less than 1. And the proof of this is also straightforward. This is a standard result. Can you express the, we already know this result, right? A to the power n, a to the power n into un. This is 1 upon 1 minus a e to the power minus j omega. This is a standard result we already derived. Now, can you write this a to the power mod n in terms of this? This is only the positive part of this, isn't it? What is the expression for the negative part of this? Negative values of n?
A power minus n, u of minus
A to the power n,
a to the power minus n.
a to the power minus n, u of minus n. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So if you add these two, will you get this?
Yes, sir.
No. There is some problem.
N equal to 0.
N equal to 0, because this is the, if we consider a less than 1, it is a exponentially decaying sequence. Okay. Now if you flip this, you get this, isn't it? That is, if you put n equals to minus n, you will get this negative flipped version. Since this is already there, we need to add only this portion, isn't it? Is it? Then if you add
Yes,
these
sir.
two, you will get. So tell me, what is the expression? A to the power mod n is equal to a to the power n un plus what?
A raised to power minus n u of minus n minus delta n.
Minus delta n or minus 1. What minus delta n? Is it this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. U of n minus, you are saying u minus n minus delta n, isn't it? That is same as this. Okay, it is 0, non-zero up to minus 1, isn't it? And then you use the property, you'll get the standard result. Okay. Anyway, that is not related to the duality property. I just mentioned how we derive this property, this standard result from this. Okay. So let me erase this. Okay, so the question is, you are given the standard result and use the duality property to determine the Fourier series coefficients of this signal. Xt is equal to 1 minus 5 minus 4 cos 2 pi t. Okay. So the question is, you are given this standard Fourier transform pair. Using the duality property, you have to find the Fourier series coefficients of this signal. Let's say AK. What are the Fourier series coefficients? Okay. So first, let us apply the duality here. What is the duality? If we apply the duality property here, what is that? Can you tell me? This is the duality property. So if we consider a signal having this shape in the time domain, that means replace omega with t. So if we consider a signal 1 minus a square, 1 minus 2a cos t plus a square. This is a signal having this shape in the time domain. Then what about its Fourier series coefficients? What are the Fourier series coefficients? Okay, don't get these two are different. This is, let's say, let us denote it by BK, Fourier series coefficients. So what are these Fourier? what are the Fourier series coefficients of this signal?
A of mod n.
A of mod k, isn't it? Because this is the duality property. X of minus k means f mod k. Because we generally consider the Fourier series coefficients as that index is k. Okay. So this result we got from the duality property. Okay. Now we have to find the Fourier series coefficient of this signal. So how are they related? We have to find the value of A. Is it? What is the value of A here?
2 of
Sorry?
2 or minus 2.
But 2 of minus 2. A is mod A is less than 1. Minus 2.
1 by 2. Half.
Is it 1 by 2? Is it 1 by 2? You compare these two, find the value of A. They are not exactly equal. If you put A is equal to 1 by 2, you will not get the exact expression. There is some scaling factor, isn't it? So what is that expression if you put A equals to 1 by 2? Will you get something like this? There will be 3, 1 by, okay, 1 minus A square is 3 by 4. So this is 3 divided by what? 5 minus 4 cos pi t. Will you get this? If you put A equals to 1 by 2 here.
So
Yes,
cos
sir.
t.
Sorry?
Cos t will
Cos
come.
Yes, cos t will come. Sorry, cos t will come. 4 cos t, isn't it? And using the duality property, we know that Fourier series with respect to period 2 pi, its Fourier series coefficients are what? 1 by 2 to the power mod k. Is it? So
Yes, sir.
if we cross multiply this, you will get 1 upon 5 minus 4 cos t Fourier series t naught 2 pi. Sorry, it is 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Okay, isn't it? Now, is it the result? Is it the final answer we require?
No, sir.
No. There is something more to be done. What is that?
T not equal to.
Time scaling.
Sorry? Time scaling. Because if you look at these expressions, this is cos t and this is cos 2 pi t. That means we are scaling the signal by a factor of 2 pi. You are replacing t with 2 pi t. That is compression by a factor of 2 pi, time compression, isn't it? What will happen to the Fourier series coefficients?
The same.
So there is a property, if you remember that property, if xt Fourier series coefficients with respect to some period t naught ak, and if you are scaling that x of alpha t, then Fourier series with respect to which period? What is the period of that?
T not by alpha.
Not by alpha.
T naught by alpha will be the Fourier series coefficients will be the same. This we have already derived this property. So if you use that property, 1 by 5 minus 4 cos 2 pi t. Fourier series with respect to which period? What is the fundamental period of this?
1.
T naught is 1.